Let's make pancakes with spinach filling. You will need eggs, milk, plain flour, buckwheat flour, salt, spinach, onion, garlic, butter, and lard or oil. Add 2 cups of milk to a mixing bowl. Add 2 eggs. Add a pinch of salt. Whisk the eggs and the milk by hand, using a whisk or in a food mixer. Add 1 cup of buckwheat flour. Add 1 cup of plain, all-purpose flour. Whisk the batter until it becomes smooth. Then, leave the batter to rest for about 15 minutes. Place 300 grams of spinach leaves into a pan. Pour boiling water over the spinach leaves. Boil the spinach just briefly, for a minute or 2. Drain the water and squeeze the liquid out of the boiled spinach. Peel and dice a small onion. Fry the onion in a bit of butter until it softens. Peel 1 clove of garlic and put it through a garlic press. Fry the garlic just very briefly, for about half a minute. Add the spinach. Add half a cup of milk. Turn the ingredients into a smooth sauce, using a food processor. Add half a teaspoon of salt. If the sauce is not thick enough, boil it for a little bit longer. Heat up a pan and add lard or frying oil. Once the pan is hot, pour in some of the pancake batter. Move the pan to spread the batter evenly. Fry the pancake on one side until the edges start to brown slightly. Then, flip the pancake and fry it from the other side. Transfer to a plate. Spread the spinach sauce over the top of the pancake and roll the pancake or fold it. These pancakes will taste nice both hot and cold.